Hi, how are you? Hey, are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
What's going on? Hey, what's going on?
Just really...
Hey, come on in. What's going on? Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm okay. It's just so windy here, and I just got my hair done, and...
Wait, hold on. Are you LaQuisha?
Jim, huh?
Is that the correct rider?
That's me.
Okay, LaQuisha?
Yeah.
All right. Yeah, put on your seatbelt and we'll take you to your destination. You just got a little quick 5-minute ride. Hey, what's going on? Why are you crying?
I just got my hair done, and it's so windy here, and now it's all frizzy, and it's messed up, and I haven't even made it home yet and showed my mom or my dog or my...
Hey, you got to keep it down back there, okay? Keep it together. Stop crying. Stop that. Sit back.
It's so frizzy.
Sit back and be quiet.
You can't tell me what to do. You're not my dad.
Why are you crying?
I told you why. My hair's frizzy.
That's not why you're crying. There's got to be another reason. Girls do not.
Girls do cry over their hair all the time.
So what happened? Your hair's all messed up? Your hair looks fine. It looks okay. It's like a solid 5 out of 10. What? It's not. Your hair doesn't need to be perfect every day.
I'm gonna write a review and said you said my hair was ugly.
I said it was 5 out of 10. I said it looked okay. It doesn't look great, but it looks fine.
Fine's not a compliment. I'm really sad today. Today was such a good day too.
Hey, you gotta sit up straight.
Yeah, I'm so sad. My hair's so frizzy. I don't want you to look at it.
You know what? If you can't do a ride properly, I'm gonna have to remove you.
You don't have feelings? I can't have my feelings?
This is not an appropriate place. You can go to somewhere else to do that. You can do that at a slumber party, okay?
Okay, I don't want to get out anyways.
Wait, don't get out now. I need to pull over.
Oh, let me get out.
No, we're driving. Don't get out. I'm gonna pull up right here by this gas station, okay? You go in there and you talk to the clerk.
I don't want anyone to see my hair.
It'll be okay. Just get out right here. Yo, we're still moving.
Bye.
Okay, bye.
Thank you for nothing.
Hope you feel better.